Welcome back to this video. I'm going to talk about Tesla and Tesla. Just sell, sell, sell. Sell Tesla as soon as possible because I don't want to make this mistake again. I don't want to get stuck in any of the position of a good stock, and that's why I am selling Tesla. For my long term, what I'm holding, I'm selling Tesla. So this is why I'm selling Tesla, and this is what I'm going to do more. So this is right here. Can you see Tesla? Tesla today, after the market closed, trading at the point of recording, it's trading at $251.98, like just shy of $252. So market cap reaching to more than $800 billion. So 52-week high, we got almost $300, and the lowest is $138. As you know, the stock really flushed down to $138, and we got little punches right there. And now this is the analyst rating right here. So the buy 22 we got based on the 50 top analyst, 18 hold and 10 sell. So the average price what we are getting here is, according to analysts, is we are getting $190.20. This is the average price we are getting, and absolutely we just crushed that price, $190. So the target price what we are looking here for is we are looking at the target price range is $320, means 27% more higher than as the Tesla is trading for now, $251 compared to $320. So 27% we are aiming more higher. But for me, I just want to sell Tesla because I don't want to make that mistake again. I did that, got stuck in position, and I don't want to do that. So the mid-range, what we were seeing is $180, which we absolutely crushed, and $22 is no way in the radar. And I don't even want to talk about that. Don't even want to waste time on speaking about $22. So this is the tip ranks rating. So as you see right here, $184, we got the average price target right here, $184. As I just marked out, you can see in blue color. So again, 13 buy, 14 hold, and 18 sell, 8 sell. So again, why are they really selling 8? On what basis I'm holding that 8 sell? Right? So on that basis, I'm deciding here, should I sell or should I really wait, or should I really go with that 14 analyst, what they're saying, really hold that, or I will go with those 8 analysts who are saying just sell. But before telling that, or before going in deep dive into this, so the main one who's telling to sell is some of the unknown names, like not really the big names, but of course not really the famous ones. I'm just kidding. Of course, they're the famous one. So the JP Morgan is telling $115, and the next famous one is telling Phillips Securities. So that is telling $175 as they downgraded 2 months ago. And from JP Morgan, they are looking for, they maintain $115. That's really nasty, and that was absolutely yesterday. Look at this. I'll just mark out right here. Yesterday, $115 maintained. That is crazy price range. So Wedbush, of course, they're maintaining $300 and upgraded someone $282. That is China. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Just let it. So that was upgraded today, $280. So right now, where am I selling? You will see here. This is Tesla's chart right here. Right now, $251.61. Today we got all highest is $253.63. Folks, one thing I want to show you really super clear. So This is the range. $265 is the range where I'm gonna sell Tesla, and I'm not gonna hold because you see 8 back-to-back consecutive green days on Tesla, and volume is just really pumping hard. And of course, that's a very positive sign. We just got pumped in this stock almost more than $230 billion in 8 days. So, am I really um, am I really mean that am I gonna sell on $265? Yes, I'm gonna sell on $265. I'm not gonna hold more. Of course, it will flush down more. After that, it will flush down for a simple correction again. So that might probably make that $247.04 would be the support. And again, it would rip up on the upper side. But again, going back to back so massive days, that's kind of like a doubtful, because anyways, I don't want to take so big risk. So the next range, what we're looking here for is $292. That is almost like $300. Let's see. Yeah, 299.40. So these are the ranges Tesla is going to trade probably. And this is the range I forgot, $278. So once we cross the $265, or even once we just really touch that $265, so that becomes a very solid resistance, and probably the stock will really touch and just come down, flush back to $247.04. So once the stock really touches at 265, comes down to 247, and that's where I'm looking to sell maximum number of my positions, probably trying to take position in other stocks. But if I'm not selling, of course, I'll let you know. But this is my plan, but because I don't want to make this mistake again, don't want to be more greedy. Of course, last time, of course, oh, Tesla is really going to pump. It's not going to dump anymore because this is the world's best car company. Was in these kind of like state of mind really just pushed me hard on a downside. So I don't really want to be a bag holder on Tesla for now. Probably, of course, I might just add shares for now. I want to sell shares, lock up my profit, and see how the stock is reacting, how the volume is pumping, and how the buyers and sellers they're coming, because this company is coming very close to $1 trillion market cap. So when it comes to very close to $1 trillion market cap, you will notice one thing. You will notice that this stock will fluctuate around $1 trillion, 900 to $1 trillion, 900 billion to $1 trillion. It will really fluctuate, and I don't want to be caught up in the fluctuation. Sometimes happens also, the stock can really flush down. So anyways, don't want to go in more in details. I'm just letting you know that I don't want to hold this, because I don't want to make that mistake again. 802 billion dollar is the market cap as for now, as for today, while I'm recording this video. So as I showed you the analyst rating you saw here. Hold on, it's loading. Analyst rating. As you saw here, very clean and clear. 22 buys we got, 18 holds we got, and 10 sell we got. So based on 10 sell, of course, I'm making my kind of decisions because they are some big names. JP Morgan. JP Morgan, of course, they give some really nasty numbers, $115. That's not even in the radar. I don't think so, because they really underestimate this company. So I'm not selling based on that. I'm selling based on the charts, based upon the 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and on my chart rating. This is just my idea, because I just don't want to be a bag holder. And again, as it will touch 265, it will come down to 247. This is my thinking. It can probably even really shoot up to $275. It's highly possible. But again, I don't want to just catch up every penny from the market on a profit basis. I just don't want to be that guy who is really greedy, and I just want every single dollar or penny from the market in my portfolio as a profit. Anyways, if you know how to trade, of course, you will grab profits in other stocks. If you want to know more, join our group. The link is down in the description, and you can follow me on Instagram, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm making this video for you guys to give some information, to share my ideas. Thank you so much. See you next time.